Video we will see how we can get visitors current location and other details like country, city, and also IP address using jQuery. Okay, so we will just see what details we can get from JavaScript and how we can use that. So here I have added a few p tags here for showing the data, and then I am calling this API, which will provide us the details like currency, country, time zone, and city and IP address also. So we will see how it works. So you can see when I run the application, it is showing the time zone, currency, country, city, and IP address. So this is a simple code that you can use for this purpose. You can just call the API and then you can retrieve the data, and we have many more information apart from this, so we can see what information we can get apart from that. So if you want a longitude, latitude of the location, that also we can have. um, so we have the longitude and latitude also here. We have the UTC offset and time zone. We also have the country code in short form, so you can use that, and country calling code also we have available here. So you can see we have lots of information here that we can use. So this can help you in getting the information using jQuery. Okay, so we will just call the API and that will provide us the result. So this API is not completely free. However, you can use this free for some level. So like there are some limit like how many times you can use this in a day or in an hour. So you can use this free for low level of usage. So that will work for you. So thanks for watching guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue, and thanks for watching.